Unfortunately, after we bought the last petrol in Africa, we have no idea how possible our tank get rusty, or I don't know what else, but our pump never work again. Yeah, time to clean anyway. So it was so basic. It's just we bought the lime juice and some carbonate. We get mixed with the water. And we waited until next day. Just get up the water. It looks like it gets just some kind of mud, not rusty anymore.
It's the wash machine. It's very good. We can clean our clothes. That looks like very nice, right? This one is calling like a radiator cleaner. And we decided to buy this one. We don't know if it will work or not. We will see now. Just we were trying to clean some of the parts where our hands cannot go. So we'll see how it works. And we have a little water in it. And the shape is nice, can go everywhere. I think it's a little long. Yeah, it looks like it's working.
Yeah, again, clean and clean, just we need the water. So after that, it was pretty okay. But just we need to dry.